Exercise 8.4, question 5, part 9. Here you have to prove cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon 10A plus cot A. See here, several combinations are there and different terms are there. So usually we start with left hand side and show it is equal to the right hand side. This time we are going to simplify both left hand side and right hand side and showing that two in simplified way are equal. So I am beginning with left hand side. Left hand side is cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. Okay, to simplify let us convert the other terms into simpler terms. Cosec A we know it can be written as 1 by sin A and sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. So I will be putting the values here in the left hand side. This is, so the left hand side cosec A, it turns 1 by sin A minus sin A. Then the other one is sec A, that is 1 by cos A minus cos A. Okay, let us simplify it further. Well, we can take LCM from each of these two terms. For the first term, the LCM is sin A. It will be then 1 minus sin A into sin A will give me sin square A. Correct? Same way, for these two denominators, LCM will be cos A. Well, this cos A is the LCM and the same is the denominator, so here you will be having only 1. For this cos A multiplied with cos A will give me cos square A. We know the identity sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So if I have to find 1 minus sin A square A, is transposing it here, it will be cos square A. What if I transpose cos square A here? Then I am left here with sin square A and this is 1 minus cos square A. So we will be putting values of 1 minus sin square A and 1 minus cos square A here. Then the left hand side is 1 minus sin square A is cos square A upon sin A. This is 1 minus cos square A, that is sin square A upon cos A. See, few terms are common here, cos square A and cos A, once it will be cancelled, sin square A and sin A, so only once cos A and this is sin A is left. Okay, let us keep it as equation 1. Now let us solve a right hand side also, because you cannot simplify it further. Okay, so keeping as it is and now solving the right hand side also. Right hand side is 1 upon 10A plus cot A. Okay, let us put the values of 10 and cot in terms of sin and cos. Because for left hand side our simplified result is in the form of cos and sin only. Well, numerator 1 as it is, now solving for this denominator. LCM of these two will be cos A into sin A. Then sin A into sin A. Well, I am dividing LCM with the denominator cos A, left with sin A, which will be multiplied in numerator. In all, it is sin square A. Same way, cos A into cos A will be cos square A. Well, we know for rational numbers this term will be multiplied here. So it is cos A into sin A. Already we have used this identity that sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So this value becomes 1. You can check. This is equation 2. Simplified RHS, and earlier our simplified LHS was also the same thing, hence the two are equal.